Welcome to our video on how to increase your YouTube subscribers. In this video, we'll be sharing tips and strategies to help you grow your audience and build a successful YouTube channel. From optimizing your videos for search to engaging with your audience, we'll cover everything you need to know to boost your subscriber count. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on growing your YouTube channel together. Use social media platforms and other online communities to promote your YouTube channel. First, create high-quality and engaging content that appeals to your target audience. Use eye-catching thumbnails for your videos to attract more clicks. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make them easily discoverable on YouTube and Google. Use YouTube's end screens and annotations to promote your other videos and ask viewers to subscribe. Collaborate with other YouTubers and cross-promote each other's channels. Use YouTube's paid promotion options to reach a wider audience. Organize a giveaway or contest on your YouTube channel to attract new subscribers. Upload new content regularly to keep your existing subscribers engaged and attract new ones. Create playlists of your videos to keep viewers on your channel longer. Remember, building a strong subscriber base takes time and effort, and you should always focus on creating quality content that your audience will enjoy. Create a YouTube channel art and profile picture that looks professional and reflects your brand. Respond to comments and messages from viewers to build a community. Optimize your video for mobile viewing. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and like.